Okay. Hi, I'm Priyanka. Essentially, I have really struggled with staying consistent in my life about a lot of things, be it work, be it friendships, be it going to the gym, or be it content. And I figured there is no harm in trying and restarting and trying again as long as I try. So I am here once again trying. So, a little bit about me. I am 27 years old. I am from Mumbai and I have stayed here for a really long time now. I love Mumbai. I think it really has its own charm. It has its cons, there is no doubt about that. But Mumbai is home to me and I feel really, really grateful and privileged ki this is the place that I get to call home, you know. I started my own creative agency about a year ago. It's called the Noisy Network, and it has been an amazing journey so far. It has taught me so much about life, about people, about work, about money, about who I am, and I have stayed consistent with that. That is one of my biggest achievements. That consistency has paid off. So I'm like, अगर उसके साथ कर सकती हूँ, why can't I do it for this? And why can't I do it for anything else in my life? So yeah, there's that. And when it comes to content in general, I I just want to have fun. There is no head or tail. There is no reason for anyone to watch this, and I really don't care if someone does or someone doesn't. Not in a sense ki, like from an ego perspective. It's just that I'm doing this because मुझे मजा आता है. It's the process of shooting a video, talking, and I was made to be in front of the camera. Like there is no agar if it's coming off cocky, it's coming off cocky. I enjoy it. It's my channel. I'm gonna yap, and it's fun. And I think more of us need to be more cocky about the things that we like and the things that we are good at. And I think I've just been scared that this could work out. Can you believe that there are things that can you believe that what I'm trying to say is that it really takes courage to live the life you want to live, and it took me a while to understand कि उसका meaning क्या था. And I'm really excited that I'm pushing myself again. Like you can restart and start over as many times as you want without the shame ki you did not follow through the first time, which is fine as long as you start again or try again. And I'm not trying to be inspirational in any way because I don't take my own advice. And yeah, I'm excited to restart this journey once again, and I really hope I stick through.